यहाँ आना ना दोबारा, अब हम सब हैं परदेसी, के तेरा यहाँ कोई नहीं, के तेरा यहाँ कोई नहीं। प्यार की धुन मैंने तुझे चुन लिया, तू भी मुझे चुन।
A particular star actress and a very fine actress working in a film of mine, and I wanted her to play that role and that character, and I sent a cable, a telegram, but she had to take a decision, whether she could afford to play in my film, or whether she could, whether she wanted to play in my film. That's more important. And I didn't have an answer. She was working in Madras, so I sent a cable saying a phrase that "Bol Radha Bol, Sangam hoga ke nahi." This is of that film called Sangam. And for quite some days I did not get a reply, but eventually when I did get the reply, it came at such a time when I was narrating this incident to my writer, Shailendra. He was sitting there, and at that particular moment a telegram came कि संगम होगा, होगा और होकर रहेगा. Now I explained him the whole backdrop of it, the background of this, and there and then Shailendra just wrote, मेरे मन की गंगा, तेरे मन की जमुना का, बोल राधा बोल, संगम होगा कि नहीं.
मेरे मन की गंगा और तेरे मन की जमुना का, बोल राधा बोल, संगम होगा कि नहीं. मेरे मन की गंगा और तेरे मन की जमुना का, बोल राधा बोल, संगम होगा कि नहीं. अरे बोल राधा बोल, संगम होगा कि नहीं.
नहीं, कभी नहीं.
Critics often wonder which out of all his films is Raj Kapoor's own favourite.
पंजाबी इसके अंदर कि माँ जीवेंदी सात कर्म न देंदी वंड. तो सात जनती तो है, वो सभी उसी को प्यारे हैं. वो कर्म नहीं बांट के देती, उनके अपने अपने कर्म होते हैं, अपना अपना योग होता है, अपना अपना ब्रह्मांड होता है और अपनी अपनी उन्नति है. तो मेरे लिए ये कहना, पूछना आपका कि मुझे कौन सी पिक्चर अजीज है, कौन सी नहीं, सभी तो मेरी हैं. हाँ, उनके अपने अपने कुछ करिश्मे थे तस्वीरों के, जो कुछ बहुत ही चली हैं और कुछ नहीं चली. हाँ, जिंदगी में भी ये होता है और शायद फिल्मों के बारे में भी ये होता है कि चंद तस्वीरें जो चलती नहीं है ना, तो वो कुछ रह जाती हैं पीछे. तो जो निकल जाता है आगे, वो तो खैर खुद ब खुद बहुत ही अहमियत पा लेता है, बहुत से सहारे और प्रशंसाएं और ये सब कुछ उसके लिए होते. जो नहीं चलता आगे, वो आपके करीब आ जाता है. तो उसमें से एक तस्वीर है मेरा नाम जोकर, जो मुझे बहुत अजीज है क्योंकि वो चली नहीं थी. इसी तरह एक जागते रहो करके है तस्वीर, वो भी नहीं चली थी. तो ये दो एक बच्चे हैं, शायद कहीं इनकी टांग ठीक नहीं थी या कहीं चेहरा ठीक नहीं था या कुछ था इसमें, जो कि ये पिक्चरें चली नहीं, या ये बहुत ही बेहतरीन तस्वीरें थी जो लोगों की समझ में नहीं. बहरहाल मैंने कहा ना, माँ जीवेंदी सत कर्म न देंदी वंड.
You get into this compartment.
मैडम.
Raju, tu?
Hello, Raju. Madam, हमारा compartment.
You boys are in number 55.
Thank you, madam. See you, Raju. Bye, bye, Raju.
Hello, Raju. तुम यहाँ कैसे?
जी, वो आपको छूने आया हूँ.
How sweet. Thank you. लेकिन पीछे क्या छुपा रखा है तुमने?
जी, वो.
ये क्या है?
जोकर. मैं हूँ. इसे अपने पास रखिए.
बहुत प्यारा है, तुम्हारी तरह. Bye-bye, Raju. Look after yourself. God bless. And which scene does he cherish the most?
Again from this film called Mera Naam Joker. One is the very beginning of the film, where this performer has invited all his past attachments, emotional involvements, the girls and including the teacher, all of them he has invited. He's a joker, and he's giving his last performance because he knows that he is going to die now. He has a kind of an ailment that he will not live long. We begin with an operation. 7, 8, 10 doctors are pulling out a heart of a clown, of a joker. They pull out his heart, and then he finds that he has no heart. And he's walking on the ring of the circus, and he asks all of his past that, have you seen my heart? Have you seen my heart? Please. Have you? Is there anybody here who has seen my heart? Now this scene affects me very much. Has anybody seen my heart? For that matter, I feel that there are very fortunate few in this world who have probably the distinction of having people to see in their heart, to have loved them, to have received love in return of what they had offered to the others. This affects me tremendously.
Raj Kapoor has always had a very special relationship with his actresses, an association that sometimes went beyond the field of the camera. Nargis, Padmini, Vajantimala. The artist and his creation. He transformed them, and they willingly adapted themselves into the mold he had sculpted. Each emerged as the woman in white, bearing the stamp of RK. Some say Raj Kapoor fell in love with his heroines. Others say that the actresses fell in love with him.
The actress, while playing a character, goes through a director. She goes through this male and portrays a character, acts it as if she's living it. And then when she sees herself, when it is projected to her, she falls in love. I have done that. Oh, you are wonderful. And thereby she falls in love with the director, the maker. But actually she's not in love with the maker or the director. She is in love with herself. That's why I think I've had some beautiful relationship with my actresses. All of them. Because they feel that they belong. And this belonging is a very great thing in our profession. Naturally, there's a man involved and there is a woman involved, but there's nobody beyond one's own self that you are in love with.
ये जो तुम तोते की तरह नए नए गीत रट लेती हो, कुछ माने भी समझती हो क्या गा रही हो?
तो तुम्हारा ख्याल है मैं कुछ समझती ही नहीं? सब समझती हूँ परदेसी।
अच्छा देखो तो मेरी आंखों और समझो इनमें क्या है, बता सकती हो?
हाँ?
तो बताओ।
मैं हूँ। हाँ देखो, देखो इनमें मैं दिखाई देती हूँ। तुम खुद देख लो ना, इनमें मैं दिखाई देती हूँ।
How did I meet her? I'll tell you, there's a film I made called Bobby, where you just go to the scene where Raja Baba goes to find out Mrs. Braganza. And he goes to that house and he knocks at the door and...
कौन है?
जी मैं हूँ।
And a girl comes out.
बोलो।
I just kept on looking at her. Her hands were soiled with basin. You know?
आप यहाँ?
No, and she just
मैं?
stretches her hand up and all सारा बेसन उसके बालों में लग जाता है. What you see in Bobby is exactly how I met her, I guess. And वो शायद भजिया वगैरह कुछ पकौड़े तल रही थी घर में और दरवाजे पे दस्तक सुनकर when she came out and she knew me apparently because she had seen me on stage with my father and I saw her and probably it had to happen and I went back. I discussed with Indra Rajanand, who was the writer of my film Maag. I must have her.
चलिए हम चलें। शाम को मिलेंगे। मैं तुम्हें एक खुशखबरी सुनाऊंगा।
कैसी खुशखबरी?
वो तो शाम को ही बताएंगे। सुनो जी, तुम नाच उठो। तमाम आसमान पे चल जाए।
How old was Raj when he met Nargis?
Well, I was married and I was a father. Yes, when I made Aag. I think I was about 22, 23.
And how old was Nargis?
16. We celebrated the 16th birthday. She was very young. Angelic, absolute. That's how I met her and we worked in that film and what a great actress she was. Films, for me, meant a complete, absolute, dedicated devotion and belonging. So anybody and anything that revolved around it very much became a part of my very being. And I must say that she contributed a lot in what ARC is.
प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल कहता है दिल रास्ता मुश्किल मालूम नहीं है कहाँ मंजिल कहता है दिल रास्ता मुश्किल मालूम नहीं है कहाँ मंजिल प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है प्यार
I think we both measured to a great extent with a tremendous vitality, an actor and an actress, and you felt that this was not a mere illusion on the screen, but a reality.
कहो कि अपनी प्रीत का गीत न बदलेगा कभी चाँद चमकेगा कभी गीत हमारे प्यार के दोहरा